Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
My name is Arividi Prestion. With my order is 9.
My name is Rafida Yulia Rahmah with my order is 25.
My name is Muhammad Rifki Rafsanjani with my order is 39.
We are from Group 9.
We are second semester student Universitas Negeri Semarang.
In this video,
We will completing
The English for Mathematics Education project.
we hope this video
can provide an overview
Of how to make mathematics learning.
and teaching process effective and enjoyable.
Well, let's watch together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Okay, is there anyone absent today?
No, Miss.
Okay, great. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Peace. Okay. Well, everyone, are you ready for today's lesson?
Ready, Miss.
Okay. Today we are going to learn about the distance in a cube. Okay. The goals of today's lesson is for you to be able to find the distance between two points in a cube. Okay. In our previous lesson, what the topic of the previous lesson about?
Position, point, line, and plane.
Great. We learned about the position of point, line, and plane. We learned about the first. A point can be on or outside in a point or line. The second is line can be parallel intersecting, overlapping, or skew to another line or plane. The third, a plane can be parallel intersecting or perpendicular to another plane. Okay. Now we continue to the topic of the distance. Okay. Please prepare yourself and your written books. Before we go further, can anyone tell me what the means of the distance?
No, Miss.
Okay. The distance is shortest measurement between two points. It can be from point to point, from point to line, or from point to line. Okay. In math, distance is always positive value and has no direction. Okay. Before we are going to learn about the distance in a cube, let's review the part of cube. Okay. Let's say we have a cube A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The properties of a cube. The first, a cube has 8 corner points that are point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, point G, and point H. The second, a cube has 12 edges. The side of cube can collect our edges. For example, AB and BC, and all of them are same of length. The third, the cube has 6 faces, and all of them are squares. The fourth, a cube has those face diagonals. For example, AF and BG. The last, a cube has 4 face diagonals. For example, AG and BH. Next, in today's lesson, we are use the Pythagorean theorem to find find the distance square equals a square minus c square, or c square equals a square minus c square, right? Okay. We usually in the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance in two-dimensional shape. But how do we use it to find the three-dimensional shape like a cube? Okay, that's we are going to learn today. Let's start.
Okay, students, let us continue with the practice questions. Let me have a cube A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. If the size is 5 centimeters. Okay, for the first question, what is the distance from A to F? First, we can take length ABF or AAF. Did you know what the name of the length ABF or AAF? That's right, it's a right triangle. As we already know from the previous lesson material, in a right triangle, the length of the hypotenuse is equal to square root of the sum of the squares of the other side. Okay, here I will take a right triangle ABF. The side of right triangle ABF is 5 centimeters. The hypotenuse of the side hypotenuse of right triangle ABF is the side AF. Then the length of AF is equal to square root of AB square plus BF square. So AF is equal to square root of 5 square plus 5 square. So AF equal to square root of 25 plus 25. So we get the length of AF is 5 times square root of 2. Okay, for the question B, let's say if the distance is from F to C. Well, it's the same as question A. We can take a right triangle of BFC, where the length of BF is 5 and the length of BC is 5 centimeters too. In here, the hypotenuse is the side FC. So the length of FC is equal to square root of BC square plus BF square. Where's the length of BC is 5 and the length of BF is 5 too. So FC is equal to square root of 5 square plus 5 square. FC is equal to 25 plus 25. So we get the value is same with the question A, where is 5 times square root of 2. then C is hypotenuse of right triangle CFE. Then the line of CE is equal to square root of CF squared plus FE squared. Whereas the CF, the line of CF is 5 times square root of 2 and the line of FE is 5 centimeters. So the C is equal to square root of 5 square root of 2 square plus times square. C is equal to square root of 75. So C is equal to 5 times square root of 3. And we get the line of CE is 5 square root of 3. Okay, for the last lesson, we ask the distance from A to G. Well, it's the same as before again. AG is hypotenuse from right triangle AFG. As well, you know, the line of AF is 5 times square root of 2. Then the line of AG is equal to AF squared plus FG squared. So AG is equal to square root of 5 times square root of 2 squared plus 5 squared. AG is equal to square root of 50 plus 25 so AG is equal to 5 times square root of 3. Okay students, today we have already learned about the distance between A and F, F and C, C and E, and A and G. I hope you all can understand our material today.
Okay students, we have come to the end of today's lesson. Well, are you still excited? Yes. And how was today's lesson? Is it fun?
Fun!
Okay, well let's summarize our today's lessons. Today we have learned about the distance between a point with another point on a cube. And for example, we have find the distance between A and F, F and C, C and E, and A and G. And we know that EF, FC are the fast diagonals. And we know that the distance between A and F and C has the same value. So we can conclude that if a cube has an x 8 centimeter, so the first diagonal of the cube is A times square root of 2. And we know that CE and AG are the space diagonals. So we know that they have same value. So we can conclude that if a cube has a length a centimeter, so we know that the space diagonals of the cube is a times square root of 3. Here we have now that EF and FC are the first diagonal. First diagonal are lines that connect two opposite corner points in one side plane of cube, and the space diagonal are lines that connect two opposite corner points of a cube and not on the same side planes. Yeah, this is our material today. Next week we are still learning about cube, but not like this meeting. The next meeting we will learn about the distance between a point with line and a line with side or plane. Yeah. Yeah, student, this is our material today. And don't forget to do the exercise at home seriously, and you are great today. I appreciate your hard work today. And yeah, don't forget to try more and more and more. And remember, students, that practice makes perfect. Bye, students. We have come to the end of today's lesson. So before we close the lessons today, let's pray together. Pray start. And enough. Thanks for your attention. I'm sorry if there are any unpleasant actions today. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.